Welcome back to the Business Book Club, where we turn powerful books into practical insights you can apply every day. Today, we're exploring The Art of Spending Money by Morgan Housel, a book that takes an honest behavioural look at how we think about money, what we value, and why financial decisions are rarely just about numbers. Morgan Housel, who also wrote The Psychology of Money, challenges one of the biggest myths in modern finance, that being good with money is about knowledge. In reality, it's about behaviour. Most people don't fail financially because they lack information. They fail because emotion, ego, and impulse get in the way. The book's core idea is simple. How you spend money says far more about your values than your income ever will. It's not about maximising wealth. It's about maximising fulfilment. And that starts by understanding the stories we tell ourselves about what money means. Housel argues that everyone has a money story, shaped by our upbringing, experiences, and fears. Some of us see money as safety, others as status, freedom, or love. These beliefs influence every choice we make, often subconsciously. Recognizing your story is the first step to rewriting it. He introduces a central principle: money should serve your life, not define it. We chase bigger salaries, fancier homes, or luxury experiences because we think they'll make us happy. But the data shows happiness increases only up to the point of comfort. Beyond that, fulfillment comes from autonomy, time, and meaningful relationships, not consumption. Housel writes that spending well is about alignment, aligning your spending with what genuinely matters to you. That means buying fewer things but better experiences, investing in growth, health, and time freedom rather than status. He calls this intentional spending. Every pound spent should move you closer to the life you want, not further away from it. He also explores the paradox of wealth. The more people have, the harder it becomes to feel rich. When you constantly measure yourself against others, satisfaction becomes a moving target. The goalposts always shift. Housel reminds us that the real measure of wealth isn't how much you have, but how little you need. One of the most powerful chapters focuses on freedom versus obligation. True wealth isn't the ability to buy more, it's the ability to choose. The ability to say no to what drains you and yes to what inspires you. That's financial independence, not a number in a bank account, but a life designed on your terms. He also warns about the social mirror effect, the trap of spending to impress people you don't even know or like. It's one of the greatest destroyers of financial peace. Social media amplifies this, turning comparison into a daily habit. The cure, Housel says, is clarity, knowing what enough means to you. When you define enough, you free yourself from endless pursuit. Housel doesn't suggest living frugally for the sake of it. He believes in joy, but joy that's deliberate. Money is a tool to expand life, not fill a void. It should be spent on things that compound in value, experiences that shape memories, education that multiplies opportunity, generosity that builds connection, and health that sustains energy. A standout theme throughout the book is humility. Most of us overestimate how much we control and underestimate the role of luck, the era we're born into, the family we're raised in, or the opportunities we're exposed to. Recognizing that luck plays a part doesn't diminish effort. It creates gratitude and perspective. It makes us more compassionate spenders and wiser investors. He also introduces the concept of quiet wealth, the kind that doesn't shout. It's not flashy cars or designer clothes. It's peace of mind. It's having choices. It's sleeping well at night because you're not overextended or chasing validation. Quiet wealth is built through consistency, patience, and calm decision-making. One of the book's most memorable insights is that money buys happiness when you stop trying to prove you have it. The moment your financial decisions stop being about perception, you gain freedom. The freedom to live authentically, give generously, and invest intentionally. So what can we take from The Art of Spending Money? 1. Know your money story. Your relationship with money is emotional before it's rational. Understand your patterns. Then choose new ones that serve you. 2. Spend for alignment, not approval. Every pound spent should reflect your values and goals, not social pressure. Buy experiences and time, not just things. 3. Define enough. Wealth is a mindset. Know the point where having more stops adding happiness. Focus on freedom, not accumulation. 4. Build quiet wealth. Peace, independence, and choice are the real luxuries. Create systems that let you live without fear or comparison. 5. Remember that luck and gratitude matter. Recognize how fortune and timing shape outcomes. Stay humble, stay generous, and avoid judging others' financial paths. Housel's writing style is refreshingly simple, but his message cuts deep. He doesn't give you financial formulas. He gives you frameworks for living well. The art of spending money isn't about spreadsheets or investment hacks. It's about redefining success. It's a reminder that money is only valuable when it amplifies what you already value. In the end, wealth is not the goal. Wisdom is. Spend intentionally, live deliberately, and let money be the servant of your purpose, not the master of your life. That's a wrap on The Art of Spending Money by Morgan Housel.